We're at the National Hardware Show showing you some of the cool things that are released here at this year's show. And that brought me over to the Friedrich booth. We've looked at their AC units, their split, we've looked at a lot of different units, and they've got a new window AC unit here. Michael, tell us a little bit more about this. This is pretty cool.
Well, this unit has built-in QuietMaster technology, so it's 20% quieter than industry, and it has Wi-Fi built in along with a great new design. So everything that you could do on the air conditioner, you can also do on an app. Just get my phone open. Here's the app, and you can change your mode from auto to cool to heat, dry for dehumidification only, or fan. You can adjust your fan speeds, low, medium, high, or auto. You could set a sleep mode, and you could set your money saver, as well as program a timer. And of course, you can adjust your temperature, and you could turn the unit on and off through your app.
So if I were, say, going up to the cabin, and I had one of these in the cabin up at the lake, I could be from my home 2 hours away. I could set it to go on and be ready to go when I got to the cabin.
Absolutely. Nice and cool.
Nice and cool. Michael, this looks like a great cooling option for a lot of different places. Bedrooms, even small living rooms would be a great spot for that. If people want more information, where can they go to check this out?
Check it out at www.friedrich.com.
We'll put that link in the description below so you guys can go check this out. But this is one of the new air conditioners here at the National Hardware Show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.